And the damage isn't just from fires that those strong winds across Kentucky are fueling.
Fayette County still under a wind advisory. Justin was just talking about it. Some of the biggest threats of damage coming from broken tree limbs and power outages. If you see a line down, Kentucky Utilities warns you stay away from it. Even with the recent cold, weakening trees, KU says it wasn't expecting major outages last night. One electrician describes the type of damage he's seen when he's trying to restore power.
Be a lot of wire down, hopefully no broke poles, but I'd say so. About anything you can imagine when you get them kind of winds.
In these types of weather events, KU is only certified to remove tree debris tangled with power lines. They have to give the Streets and Roads Department and urban foresters a 10-foot clearance to help with debris removal. And while forest fires burn